Hello students, I am Manpreet of your SS teacher, and beta today we are going to start the second chapter of political science, that is of what is democracy and why democracy. In this chapter beta we will read about the democracy, what are the features of the democracy and how the democracy is working in different countries. Okay, and the countries who have not democracy means they are non-democratic countries, and how they are doing efforts to get democracy. Okay, so first of all बच्चे we will start with the definition कि what is democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people directly. Okay, I hope you understand the definition. Whole chapter is depend on the definition. Okay, the whole chapter will move around this definition. Democracy means clear everybody? Okay, yes बच्चे, now we will discuss about the features of the democracy. Very first feature of the democracy is the major decisions are taken by the elected representatives. Okay, the decisions which are taken by the government, and the member of the government who are the members of the government? The people, the representatives who are directly elected by the people. Okay, those were the members of the government, and those representatives will take the decisions for the welfare of the people of the country. Okay beta, in this definition we will start read two examples. Okay, first of all we will start from Pakistan, the example of Pakistan. But see what happened in Pakistan in before 1999 there was democratic government working in the system. And what happened on after 1999, Pervez Musharraf, who was the military commander, had overthrown the democratic government and kept all the power in his hands. Okay, afterward in 2000 he declared himself chief executive of the country. Okay, then in 2002 he issued a legal framework. What is legal framework now? In this legal framework, that was just one order he issued. In this order he changed the constitution of the Pakistan and increased the powers of the president. He forcefully became the president of the country. Afterwards he held the elections in the country, but the member who were elected by the people in the provinces, they are just the representatives, but they haven't any power. All the major decisions were taken by Pervez Musharraf or his army men. Okay, so in this term can we say there is democracy working? No. Okay, no, there is only election. To conduct the elections are not sufficient. Okay, how the elections are conducted in the country, this thing is a major issue. Okay, so that's why we cannot say that Pakistan is a democratic country. Okay, I hope you understand this. Thanks and have a nice day.